Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Be10x. I'm Antriksh, and today I have a video wherein I'll showcase two of the best music generation AI tools on the market. I know you must have seen some of our reels when we have discussed these exact tools, but today I'm going to show in detail what I mean by that, and I am so very excited to do the same. So the two apps or the two websites or the two tools that we're going to start. The first one I'm just going to share with you, but just before I do that, I would like to draw your attention to this, our chat GPT and AI tools workshop, which is available to all of you for just 9 rupees. Get me any damn other sort of workshop which can be available for 9 rupees in the market. I bet you can't. Because you know what? This is the best in value for money, and you're going to learn everything that you want to, the tips and tricks that's going to make your productivity 10x. It's going to save at least 2 hours of yours every day. You can triple up your salary. You can actually be the highest in the pecking order when it comes to promotion, a salary hike, or anything like that, and then get even more job offers because you are friendly with AI. You're not scared of AI. You're not scared that it'll replace you, but you embrace AI and you use it for your betterment. And I believe that AI is here to stay, and everyone should. So you can sign up on our workshop just by clicking the link down below, and only for 9 rupees you can access it. So do access it now. And now we'll just jump into the first tool. So this is the tool that I was talking about. It's called Loudly. Yes, and it's obviously a freemium tool. You can upgrade it here, and it says $2.99 per month billed annually, which is reasonable again for someone who tries to use it pretty much regularly. So text to message, turn words into a song. So now it's not necessarily it'll give you lyrics or something, but okay, the last time I checked. But now let's see if it has even transformed itself into lyrics. But before that, it used to give out some great music, to be honest, and I can't sort of get enough of it. Running along Venice Beach during sunset. No, I'd say strolling on the shore of Juhu Beach at midnight. So it, in my opinion, essentially uses chat GPT, to sort of get the context and then generate it into some sort of music that it wants. So now it's loading. Let's wait for it, and then I'm gonna make you listen what it's actually created for us. Okay, so here are the keys that it gives us, right? Want longer tracks, upgrade to a personal or a pro account and stuff. So basically, you can get everything that you want to, but then you'd have to pay. I think you can generate around 7 minutes of original royalty free music. That's the best thing. But right now, it's only for 30 seconds. Let's hear what it has to deliver. It's nice. Let's keep it high. Now, if I just blend the genre here, right? Where is it? So, genre blend, if I blend it with something like, I don't know, reggaeton, right? And let's just try to generate some then. Let's try to generate some drum and bass into reggaeton blend. Let's see what it gives us. There's a whole load of things that you can mess around with: genre, duration, instruments, genre blend, energy, structure, tempo, and let's see what the sonics. I mean, this can literally be the headline of any sort of pump up, upbeat, and kind of a chilly mood, upbeat scene. And I can really sort of picturize it there. And this is what it can give you. And here you can see the structure, right? So it's a bit down and then a bit upbeat and then goes a bit down and then it's very upbeat again. You can change the structure and then it's upbeat at the beginning and then goes down. Love it. Love it. Look, it's gone down now. It's gone down now. Love it, love it, love it. Absolutely love it. This one, it slow burn exactly. It just builds up gradually and boom. So yeah, I mean, you can mess around a lot, and it's just amazing how we can see that it's royalty free. You don't even need to know much about music. In fact, nothing about music, and then you can learn on the job at least what you'd want the genre to be, or the energy, or the tempo, and then you can just get anything that really suits your ears. So that was tool number one. Now we're going to jump to tool number two right here, which is, of course, Suno.ai. Of course, Suno.ai is an absolutely fantastic song. The best thing about this is you can actually get lyrics from it, and you can even give it lyrics, and then it's going to create a whole song on it. But sometimes what I just do, I just, give it a prompt, and then it can make the lyrics itself, and then it can also make the song itself. I don't need to do anything. So here's the second tool, Suno.ai, as I talked about, and now we just have to put in a description. As I said, we can put the lyrics, but I'll not. So let's just rightly jump into it, okay? So we'll go with something like, I don't know, AI is here to stay. One should upgrade themselves, right? Something like that. I don't know. Let's see what it can create for us. And then we are going to play that one. Right. We're waiting for it to actually give us some kind of a song. So here's the song. Let us check this one out.
Hey, we're in the future now, can't you see? Artificial intelligence is here to stay. It's our destiny. But don't you worry about a thing, it's not the end. Just a new beginning, time to upgrade and transcend. We've got smart homes and virtual reality, self-driving cars and robots you won't believe. But let me tell you something, my friend. The greatest innovation is the one within. Upgrade yourself, step.
I can't really. I'm genuinely lost for words. This was just made in 30 seconds from AI. It just uses GPT to get the lyrics and then transcends and puts the music in it. It actually has a chorus, different verses. You just get the premium and you'll get a whole damn big song. It's just amazing. That's why I said it. They're the two of the best AI music apps available on the market, and you should really, really check them out. Wow, what a ride this was. So hopefully you did learn something today. And if you did, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much to everyone who tuned in. Till the next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.